How to find your 6-digit verification code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. A 6-digit verification code is usually sent when you log in or verify your account. So I will show you a few places where your 6-digit verification code might be. First things first, open the Messages application and check your SMS messages, as most of the time the Messages application has your verification code. So look for a message from the app or service that you are looking for. The next place that can be is the Mail app. So open your Mail app and then go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for verification code or security code or login code or OTTP, and you will see all the verification codes sent to your email. Go ahead and look for the verification code that you are looking for. Next, you can also check for the verification code in the Authenticator app. So if you have enabled two-factor authentication, you can open Authenticator app and look for a 6-digit number that refreshes every second there too. Additionally, sometimes the 6-digit code might be sent to WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and then look for the message there too and see if that is lying there. If not, then you can also simply request a new code. So if you have not received a code yet, then you can tap on the resend code option you see there and then confirm your email, phone number, and wait a minute or two and you will get the code. So this was about how you can find your 6-digit verification code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.